Morning everybody, Jake Easter at MarineMax in Fort Myers, Florida. Behind me I have a 24 Vantage that I would like to do a quick walkthrough. We've got two 24 Vantages currently that's 30 days out and one that's a few days after that. So just want to take you on board and quickly do a walkthrough and hopefully get you out here to take a look. So first off, you'll notice the gray gel coat scheme on the hull of the boat. We've got a stainless steel windlass anchor up front. And as we make our way around to the back, just notice the stainless steel white and stainless steel rub rail that we had. Really nice boat, great family boat, and especially for somebody that's starting off and isn't really sure what they want to do when it comes to boating. This is a good all-around fishing boat and cruising boat as well. So just moving our way back around the boat. This is equipped with a 300 V8 Mercury Verado outboard, naturally aspirated. It is a great motor to have on these boats. Very easy maintenance, low torque, and gets the boat out of the water really quick. So let's take a step up in and let me show you a little bit more. So as you walk in, notice the large kind of swim platform in the back area here. As you walk on the boat, you've got a freshwater wash down. This is equipped with your fishing package, so you'll have rod holders in the back, rod holders on the hard top, and a live well on the port side there. So as you make your way in, what Boston Whaler does a great job of is they really incorporate the ability to fish and just hang out and relax with family. So if you notice, this back seat here is folded out, which is a big hangout spot. Notice the large teak table that we have here, just to set up food and drinks, maybe play some cards. And when it's time to fish, fold this seat up nice and easy, and now you have a big cockpit area to do a little bit of fishing. Notice your live well here, blue accent color, rod holders throughout. And then you have your utility station here, little drawer for storage. And as we flip back around, as everybody knows, Boston Whaler's award-winning seat here. You can lay it all the way down, or if you want to lounge all the way backwards here, it's a good spot to do that. And then also, the seat will flip up, and you can go to the front as well. So as we make our way forward a little bit further, we get to the helm. Nice black acrylic dash. You've got a Raymarine here. Your Mercury vessel view that'll tell you everything you need to know about your engine. Your Fusion stereo, all your toggle switches here. And just again, notice all the stainless steel throughout this boat. It really makes it stand out as well. So flipping things back around, another important thing to address is the head area. So you've got a large place to get out of the sun, do your business here. Vacuum flush head with pump out. And then notice the black acrylic that matches the helm. So moving all the way to the bow now, I want to point out we've got the filler cushion in here, so it makes it a big pad to hang out. And then what's cool about this 24 Vantage is this seat lifts up, which then gives you a lot of access to more storage space underneath. Got a 5-gallon bucket under there. And then when you're wanting to do a little bit more entertaining, this seat can turn into a table as well. It's just a little mount, and the table will sit up, and you can have a nice U-shaped seating and enjoy lunch or whatever the case is. You've got JL speakers up here. You've got a little Fusion box to turn your music up and down. And again, I pointed out that it's got a stainless steel anchor windlass up front. You've also got a beach boarding ladder, which is nice. So when you're hanging out on Fort Myers Beach or Sanibel, good way to get on the boat here. And then you've also got another raw water wash down here as well. And I didn't point out the hard top. It's got the same color as your hull, so it kind of makes the boat really stand out and kind of flow perfectly. This is Jake Easter at MarineMax in Fort Myers, Florida. I'd be glad to walk you guys through this boat and tell you a little bit more about it. My number is 336-972-8917. Look forward to talking to you. Thanks.